Rebop Global City!
Members, so I call this meeting to order.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Again, my name is Kenji Talope, or sasabihin nyo, ang taas naman ng 142,500. Ano ba yung benefit na yan? Yan yung mga new members.
Kung ibili po kayo ngayon, makakasama na po kayo kay 13 and GMF. So, and then yung mga players naman natin, nag-practice na po kami. Last week. Ayaw lang yun ha. Pero
Good morning everyone. I'm Lisa Mantala and I'm from UPC Manila.
Tama ba? Could it be fate or random circumstance? Close your eyes, shadows you'll be safe.
Yung mga liputan, March 1. So yun yung saan ko, yun yung nag-apply.
Kasama sir na po yung benta mo? Nag-flyering ka?
Yung pinaka-alam yung ginagawa yung flyering.
Doon galing?
Kasi manager ko tinatakasan ko yun, tapos matutulog ako sa ano yun. Oh sure, kasi ang init eh, tapos sa side kayo.
I actually graduated Electronics and Communication Engineering of 2012. And like most of you guys, I started with in-house as well. Call pa lang, di ba? Tama ba ko? Call or message pa lang. Hindi pa ito na-meet ninyo.
Kasi naman yung availability request. So, Manila Bay and Beyond the Sky.
Kasi for the brokers, di ba? Of course, with BPI, we want to do more, be more. So, of course, we will give tone and annual awards.
Wala pa ang listings, hindi pa masyado active. Pero I just put up 1% company. So,
every month dapat meron tayong webinar. Kasi partner yan with the sponsorship. So ngayon, sponsor natin ang sa properties. April 19, ito yung face-to-face. So, pagsasabay natin yung webinar at the same time yung night GMM natin. So, Makati Commerce Power. So, lahat ng members ng Global City Chapter libre yan. So, magkita-kita po tayo doon. Free. Makati Commerce Power. Free webinar. Kuha tayo ng apartment para mag-stay doon or sabi nga dito, in 3 words, I can sum up everything I've learned about life. It goes on. And lagi naman talagang either bad or good, you will continue. Like in my iba, sabi ko kay Kurt, sabi ko, alam mo, maganda yung accomplishment natin this year. Hopefully, by next year, and gusto ko talaga matuloy. Yung mga programs, especially good programs, webinars, sponsorship. Gusto ko ituloy pati yung mga partnership with the developers. Kaya kinakausap ko yung mga officers ngayon. Ready ko na sila for next year. Kaya sila mag-live, Geraldine. Kasi gusto ko tuloy-tuloy. So, I know naman yung Global City mag-start kasi maganda yung branding natin eh. At the same time, we're working together. And at the same time, may activity natin. So again, thank you. Thank you. This is the